Hi there, Michael Eskin here with another ABC Transcription Tools demo, this one for the BC and C#D Irish box players. I want to show you how easy it is to use the highlighting feature in the tool to edit tablature generated by the tool. So I'm going to go ahead and add a tune to the tune book here. In this case, I'll add the example wheel, which is Coolies. And I'm going to go ahead and add BC box tablature to it. So I click on More Tools and then just click Inject BC box tab. And you can see it puts numbers and arrows underneath each of the notes. And the numbers correspond to the button number, the arrows correspond to the direction, down is push and up is draw. And the numbers not in a circle represent button numbers on the C row, and if they're in the circle, they're on the B row. If you want to know more about interpreting the tablature, you can go to the user guide, click on More ABC Tools, then click on Tablature, Shape Node, and Solfege Injectors, and Reading the Box Tablature. And there are some diagrams there that show you. So let's say I'm going to be adding chords to this, and I know that I want these B's not to be on a draw, I want them to be on a push. And they're going to be instead on the push on the B row on button 6. So the first thing we're going to need is we're going to need a 6 in a circle, and I've made it really easy to get that character. If you go into the Add dialog, there's an item that says Add Box Framing Symbols Template. And that just basically gives you all the characters that you might need for doing box tablature. And in this case, you're just going to want this 6 in a circle. So we'll just copy that. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on highlighting. And this makes it possible to click on any note in the notation, and the ABC for that note will light up over here in the editor. So you can see, for example, I've clicked on this B, and you can see over here that it's lit up these characters in the ABC. The underscore just means that we're going to put the tablature underneath the notation, and then it's followed by a number, a semicolon, and a direction that correspond to the 6 and the arrow in the notation. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to change that 6. We're going to paste in the 6 in the circle that we copied. You see it changes, and now we need to change the arrow to a down arrow because it's going to be on a push. So we'll just find another one in the notation here and just copy it, and we'll paste it in. And you can see now we have a 6 with an arrow pointing down. And then we can just copy this little snippet and find all the B's that we want to change. So for example, if I want to make the next B, I can just paste this in its place. And let's say this B. And so on, working our way through the tune. So this makes it very easy to just kind of walk your way through the tune. You can just click on any note, shows you the ABC. You can make the changes you want. If you need a character that isn't already there, you can grab it from the template and use that to paste into the ABC. So again, I just wanted to show you how easy it is to edit the automatic tablature for the BC and C#D box, and I hope that you will find this useful.